Welcome back, first grades. Our paintings are dry. We have geometric shapes and organic shapes, and we're going to cut these out. Grab a pair of scissors, and on the line, as best you can, you're going to start cutting out your shapes. I really want you to practice taking your time and staying on the line that I drew for you. Remember, we're learning about geometric shapes, the shape we see in math class, and we're also learning about organic shapes, the shapes that are harder to name, the shapes we might see in nature. You're going to cut out every single one of these shapes. There should be 8. 4 geometric, like rectangles, squares, and triangles, and 4 geometric shapes. Once we get them all cut out, we're going to have these little shapes, and on the other side, you're going to see this beautiful color of the painting that you did. And this is why I asked you not to paint a picture. I just wanted you to paint the whole piece of paper all filled in, just a big blob or big stripes like I did on this one, okay? So cut them out. I'm not going to cut all of mine out right now because I want to show you what we're going to do next. Once you get them all cut out, you're going to turn them over. On the white side where there is no paint, you're going to add some glue. And I like to draw a big old X and maybe even trace the shape of what I cut out. And then I'm going to stick it on my big white piece of paper. And we need to have some grab time. That means we need to press and massage our piece of paper, our shape with the glue on it, to make sure it sticks. Now, if you have any flappy pieces sticking up, go ahead and add a little bit more glue on the corner and hold it down for a few seconds. We're going to fill up our whole page with shape. Please don't add the glue to your paper like this first, okay? Because sometimes we don't know where our shape's gonna go, and this ends up being very messy. Instead, make sure you're adding the glue to the back of the shape, really getting the edges good, and then you can stick it down on your paper. I want you to try to keep your shapes not touching. See how mine are not touching? With all the shapes, all 8 of them, the 4 organic and the 4 geometric. Try to give them their own area to sit in without touching. And then I'm going to come back and show you the next step once you're all finished with this.